Imagine a world where tiny creatures, not visible to the naked eye, hold the power to influence the health of every living being on our planet. Today, we dive into the fascinating realm of virology through the adventurous story of Dr. June Almeida, a brilliant scientist who changed the way we see viruses forever. June was born in Scotland in 1930 and had a passion for science from a young age. However, due to financial constraints, she had to leave school at 16. But her curiosity and determination didn't stop there. She worked as a lab technician, which sparked her interest in virus photography. Using electron microscopes to take pictures of viruses. Fast forward to the 1960s, when Dr. Almeida was working at St. Thomas's Hospital Medical School in London. During this time, scientists were struggling with identifying and studying viruses because they were just too small to be seen clearly, even with powerful microscopes. June used her skills to develop a groundbreaking technique called immune electron microscopy. This method allows scientists to see viruses by attaching them to antibodies, which would then come together, making them large enough to be viewed under an electron microscope. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. In 1964, using her innovative techniques, June became the first person to see and identify the human coronavirus. Yes, that's right. The same family of viruses responsible for illnesses like SARS, MERS, and COVID-19. Dr. Almeida's discovery wasn't initially recognized as it challenged existing paradigms and was considered too radical by some experts in her field. It wasn't until another group of researchers rediscovered coronaviruses using her methods that her work finally received its due recognition. As you can see, Dr. Almeida's story is not just about virology. It's about perseverance, innovation, and breaking barriers. Her pioneering work has opened up new paths for us to understand and combat viral diseases better. Now think about this. Hidden all around us are millions of unseen microbes that have stories as rich and intriguing as any adventure tale. Perhaps one day, you could be like Dr. Almeida, peering into the depths of these tiny worlds and unleashing secrets that could benefit all of humanity. So I challenge you, let your curiosity lead you into uncharted territories, just like June did. Who knows what incredible discoveries await those who dare to look closer.